This part of the home is the original 1952 bungalow. Today, it functions as a spacious 2-level suite with 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a wet bar, its own separate front entrance, and direct interior access to the main home. One of the biggest advantages of this space is the flexibility. For multi-generational families, it offers a large, private, beautifully finished area for in-laws or a nanny suite, while still keeping everyone connected under one roof. It also creates incredible potential for professional home-based use. With the separate entrance and spacious layout, this area could work well for a counseling practice, massage therapy, accounting, wellness studio, or other professional use. The property is zoned R1B10, which offers potential flexibility for home occupation uses, as well as the possibility of converting this space into a legal additional residential unit. It's also been thoughtfully designed for comfort, with heated floors throughout the suite, separate heating, and its own laundry facilities. So whether you need space for family, potential income, a private work-from-home setup, or simply more room to live, this original portion of the home adds a level of versatility that is incredibly hard to find.